Hello, and welcome to another video tutorial from Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. In this video, faculty will be shown how they can continue to edit the Start Here module in a CETL D2L template. You can see I have my screen open to the CETL University 16-week template. So you can start by coming and clicking on Content in the course navbar. And then I'm going to navigate to the Start Here module and click on that folder. When you click on the folder, it expands and shows all the content within it. The folder has a description page itself, and you will notice that there are a couple of areas that can be edited. You can know that this is the case with the red text and brackets. So, for example, this course description could be edited and replaced, and the weekly topic titles within the weekly content schedule could be replaced. To begin editing this page, just click the ellipsis button and then click the Edit button. You will first notice that there are a couple of curly brackets with org unit name between them, first as a header and then as the last word in this first sentence. This is not a mistake. This is a short code which allows D2L to automatically pull in the name of the course. You do not need to edit this. Do not change it. It will automatically display the name of your course. You can tell if I hit cancel and I go back to the page itself, it has pulled in the name of my course. See? It's pulled it and displayed it both as a header and in that first sentence. So I'm going to continue editing this. And let's say I want to replace this course description right here with the course description from my syllabus. You can open up your syllabus, highlight the course description, copy that paragraph, either using the keyboard shortcuts, Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a Windows, or you can right-click and click Copy. Back in the course in D2L, I'm going to just paste what I've copied over the section I have already highlighted. I can do this by using the keyboard shortcut Command-V on a Mac or Control-V on a Windows computer, or you can right-click and hit Paste. D2L is going to ask you if you want to remove formatting from the original document that I copied it from, or if you would like to keep the formatting. Go ahead and click Remove Formatting. Great. It has kept the same font style and size from the template. However, it put my paragraph as a new paragraph. I don't want that. I'm just going to put my cursor at the beginning of the paragraph and then hit the backspace key on my keyboard one time and bump it back up. Once you have finished editing the course description, just remove the red text and brackets. Then you can continue to edit the weekly topic titles. Once you have edited the weekly topic titles, remove the red text and brackets. When you're completely finished editing this page, click Save and Close. I'm not going to do that because I do not want to override the template, so I'm going to hit Cancel. Next, let's look at the first full HTML page called Course Overview and Objectives. Notice it looks different than the folder description page. It has a header image with a university logo, content in the middle, and a blue footer and another logo. Some of the templates might have a logo for the individual schools or colleges, such as the Petrie College of Arts and Science. You can see I need to replace this first paragraph as well as the course objectives. Again, you could find these most likely from your syllabus, copy them and paste them into this page. Click the ellipsis and then click Edit and begin editing the content. When you're finished editing, remove the red text and brackets and then hit Save and Close. Again, I'm not going to do that so I don't overwrite the template. I've already recorded a Meet Your Professor tutorial, so go watch that tutorial for that page. One thing I would like to point out for any of these HTML pages is within the page itself, if you click Edit and you were, for example, on a different page trying to maybe change the title of one of the headers, if you needed to do so, be careful and don't erase the header completely. If you go far too back, you could accidentally erase the logo or the banner. If you do that, simply hit Cancel or hit Control Z on your keyboard on a Windows or Command Z on a Mac, and it'll undo what you did. So I'm just going to hit Cancel. Next, let's look at the course syllabus. You will see that there is an embedded document that guides you through how to replace this syllabus. I'll quickly show you how to do it here. Click the ellipsis and then click Edit. Here you'll see the title of the document and a button that says Replace. I'm going to click the Replace button, and then I'm going to click on My Computer. I can then click Upload and navigate to the file on my computer, or I can just grab it from a folder like this and click and drag it like that. And you'll notice the title of the document will show up as a clickable link. I can remove it, or if that's correct, click the Add button, and it'll change the name of the document. You would then click Save and Close. I'm not going to do that so I don't accidentally overwrite the template. The next folder that has content is the How To Resources folder. These are tutorials for your students. They are not meant to be edited or replaced. They're simply there to provide guidance to your students on various methods within the course. However, the next folder, the Style Guidelines folder, might be something you want to look at and edit. This will be contingent on your field, college, or school. If you use APA, for example, or if you use Turabian. You can see that the APA folder description page is nice and neat. Do not have to edit anything here. The first page, the APA writing guidelines, however, it does have a couple of things that I can go in and edit and replace. Again, you can do so just by clicking the ellipsis and then edit. These first two links specifically refer to a specific college or school and their requirements for APA. Your college or school might have some different requirements, and so you might want to upload that document here. You can do so just by erasing what's there and just type in what you need. So, for example, let's say it was the Petrie College of Arts and Sciences Writing Guidelines. And then if you've already put the document within D2L, you can just highlight it and then click the Insert Quick Link button here. Navigate to your course file folder and then to wherever that document might be, such as this right here. Click on it and you can see that it has now hyperlinked my text and it's good to go. I'm going to hit cancel so I don't accidentally save. There we go. How can you put a document in the course already? Okay, well, we could do that by clicking Course Admin and then Manage Files. Then click Upload and then navigate to the folder on your desktop by clicking Upload, or again, you could just click and drag the document over. So let's say, for example, I wanted to put in this document right here. I'm just going to click it and drag it, let it go, and there you can see it has uploaded my document. I'm going to hit Save. And there it is, right there. Now I'm going to go back to my content, back to Start here, click on the APA format folder and the APA writing guidelines. Here I'm back on that page. I'm going to click Edit underneath the ellipsis. And let's say I wanted to remove and replace this. Now I could highlight my text again, click the Insert Quick Link, and then Course File, and then scroll down and find that new document. There it is right there. Look how it's hyperlinked my text, and it will be clickable, and students can download that document and view it. I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to hit cancel. The other pages within the APA format folder do not need to be edited. And that is all for the Start Here folder module. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning.